How to allow sharing status on WhatsApp. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp's brand new feature called Allow Sharing in Status Updates. This feature decides whether people can reshare your status to their own. Let me walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, because this option only shows up in newer updates. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the Status or Updates tab. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and select Status Privacy. Here, you'll see a new option called Allow Sharing to Status. By default, it's turned off, so if you want people to be able to reshare your updates, simply switch it on. Next, go back to the Status tab. Tap the pencil or camera icon to create a new status update. Pick the photo or video you want to post and upload it. Now here's how it works. When someone views your status, they'll see a reshare button. If they tap it, they can repost your update directly to their own status. Don't worry though, WhatsApp will mark it with a reshare label, and your personal details like your name and phone number remain private. And that's it. With this feature, your content can spread further while your privacy stays protected.